Dear students, today we are going to discuss question number 2, worksheet number 3. In this question we have to multiply the binomials and then verify the result for the given values of variables. For example, x equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1. The same question as question number 1. In this case we have to multiply these two binomials. We multiply the first term of this binomial with the second binomial and second term with the second binomial. It is equal to 2x square into 5x plus 2y square, and then second term is there minus 5y into 5x plus 2y square. Now we will multiply this monomial with the first term as well as with the second term. The sign of these two terms is there plus, so we will write there plus or no sign is there. 2x square into 5x and then 2x square into 2y square with sign is there plus. Now minus 5 by we have to multiply with the first term as well as with the second term, but the sign of this first term is there plus, plus minus minus 5 by into 5x, that is equal to as it is 5 by into 5x, and then again plus minus minus is there 5 by into 2y square. Now product is equal to 5 to the 10 x raised to power 2 into x raised to power 1, that is equal to x raised to power 3 plus 2 to the 4 x square by square minus sign 5 5 is 25 x and then by minus 5 to the 10 by raised to power 2 plus 1, that is 3. So this is the right hand side. The question represents left hand side and this answer product means product represents right hand side. Now we have to verify the result for left hand side as well as for right hand side. Now we have to place the values of x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1 in left hand side as well as in right hand side. So in this case left hand side is there 2x square minus 5y into 5x plus 2y square. So in place of x we will write there 2 raised to power 2 and in place of y we will write there minus 1. Similarly in place of x 2 is there and in place of y minus 1 raised to power 2. Minus 1 raised to power even number is always plus 1. So it becomes 2 into 4 plus 5 and it is 10 plus 2 into 1. Then 8 plus 5 is equal to 13 and 10 plus 2, that is equal to 12, and the product of these two is equal to 156. Now right hand side. The right hand side is there 10x raised to power 3 plus 4x square into y square minus 25x by minus 10 by raised to power 3. So in place of x we will write there 2 and in place of y we will write there minus 1. Last term is that 10 into minus 1 raised to power 3. So in this case minus 1 raised to power an odd number. The answer remains minus 1 is there. In case of even number it is plus 1, or in case of raised to power odd number the answer is there minus 1. Now we will multiply these. The 2 raised to power 3, that is equal to 8. 8 into 10 is equal to 80. 4 4 is 16 into 1, that is 16. Minus 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 1. Minus minus becomes plus and 25 2 is 50. Minus minus again plus. 10 1 is 10. When we add this, so we get 156. The answer remains same. In this way we have to do question number 2 all parts. Now the second part is there. It is given minus 1 upon 4a plus 1 upon 5b, and the second binomial is there 1 upon 4a plus 1 upon 5b, where a is equal to 8 and b is equal to 5. So in this case again we have to multiply the first term with the second binomial and then second term with the second binomial. So minus 1 upon 4a into second binomial plus 1 upon 5b into the second binomial. When we multiply, so we will get minus 1 upon 16 a square minus 1 upon 20 ab plus 1 upon 20 ab plus 1 upon 25 b square. So in this case 1 upon 20 ab and 1 upon 20 ab, these are the like term and with the opposite sign, so we can cancel there. So we will get answer minus 1 upon 16 a raised to power 2 plus 1 upon 25 b raised to power 2. So this is the right hand side. It is the right hand side. So in this case again we have to verify the result. In this case the left hand side is there minus 1 upon 4 a plus 1 upon 5b into 1 upon 4 a plus 1 upon 5b. The value of a is there 8 and b is there 5. Now when we place this value minus 1 upon 4 into 8 plus 1 upon 5 into 5, again 1 upon 4 into 8 plus 1 upon 5 into 5. So we will get here, we can cancel it, 5 1 is 5, 1 1 is there and 4 2 is 8. Again 4 2 is 8 is there, 5 1 is 5. So what we will get minus 2 in this place plus 1 and it is 2 plus 1. Now minus 2 plus 1 is equal to minus 1 and 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. It is equal to minus 3. So it is the left hand side. The value minus 3 is the answer of left hand side. Now we have to check it for right hand side. In case of right hand side is there minus 1 upon 16 a square plus 1 upon 25 b square. Here a is there 8 ka square and 5 b is there 5 ka square, that is equal to minus 1 upon 16, 8 square is equal to 64 plus 1 upon 25, 5 square is there 25, 25 we can cancel there and 16 4s are 64, so it is equal to minus 4 plus 1, minus 4 plus 1 is equal to minus 3. So therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side and that is equal to minus 3. So we can say that we can verify by using the values, that is x equal to 8, sorry a is equal to 8 and b is equal to 5. This is the second part, and then third part is there. In this part again we have given two binomial and we have to multiply these, and this term is known as left hand side, and the value of m is given, that is minus 2 and n is there 0. So in this case firstly we multiply this monomial, first term with the second binomial and second term with the second binomial. M into 2m minus 3n plus n into 2m minus 3n. Now when we multiply, so we get here 2m square minus 1mn minus 3n square, and it is the right hand side. In the same way you have to multiply as we have done question number 1. This part is equal to 2m square minus mn minus 3n square. This is the right hand side. Now we have to place the value in the left hand side as well as in right hand side. The m is equal to minus 2, n is equal to 0. In place of m we will write there minus 2 and in place of n we will write there 0. So we will get here minus 2 plus 0 into 2 into minus 2 minus 3 into 0. So it becomes minus 2 plus 0, that is equal to minus 2, and it is 2 to the 4 minus 4 minus 0. So it is equal to minus 4 only. So minus 2 into minus 4, that is equal to 8. Now right hand side is there 2m square minus 1mn minus 3n square. Here the value of m is there minus 2 raised to 2 mn minus 2 into 0 and then n square 0 raised to power 2. Now any number multiplied by 0 is always equal to 0. So it means this product becomes 0. It is also becomes 0. So what is this? Minus 2 raised to our even number. So 2 2 is a 4 and it comes with plus sign. 4 2 is a 8. So therefore left hand side and right hand side both are equal to 8. The last part of this question is also same. In this case we have to multiply these binomials, and then we have to place the value that p is equal to 10 and q is equal to 5. Again we multiply the first term with the second binomial and then second term with the second binomial. We will get here, it is the product, that is minus 0.01 p square plus 0.04 q square, and it is the right hand side. Now we have to verify by using these values in left hand side as well as in right hand side. The left hand side is there 0.1 p plus 0.2 q into 0.2 q minus 0.1 p. When we place this value, we will get 0.1 into 10 plus 0.2 into 5. 0.2 into 5, that is equal to 10, but 1.0, but decimal is there, so we will write there 1.0. Similarly, when we multiply 0.1 by 10, so it is 1.0 again, and in the same way we will get here 1.0 minus 1.0 again. 1.0 minus 1.0 is equal to 0. So 0 into 2, that is also equal to 0. So this is the answer of left hand side. Again right hand side. Right hand side, when we place the value of p, that is 10, and q, that is 5. So again we will get minus 1 plus 1, and it is equal to 0. Therefore left hand side and right hand side both are equal to 0. This is the last part. Now question number 3. In question number 3 there is given, simplify the following. First binomial we have to multiply with the second binomial, as we have done question number 1 as and 2. Again, but there is another term is there, plus one more binomial and binomial is there. We have to multiply these, and then we have to add these. So in this case we multiply the first term with the second binomial as well as second term with the second binomial. So product is equal to 6x square plus 2x by minus 9x by minus 3 by square. This is the product of these two terms. Now we multiply these binomials, the first term with the second binomial as well as second term with the second binomial. In this case the product is there x square minus x by plus 2x by minus 2 by square. Now we have to separate the like term, 6x square and x square. It is equal to 6x square plus 1x square, that is equal to 7x square. Now the terms of x by variable, 2x by minus 9x by minus x by plus 2x by. So these are the four like term. In this case minus 9 minus 1 minus 10 is there, and 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4, minus 10 plus 4, it is equal to minus 6, x by same variable as it is. So this term becomes minus 6x by, and then minus 3 minus 2, it is equal to minus 5 by square. So this is the product of these terms or binomials. Now second part is there, we have to again multiply these binomials and these binomials, and then we have to subtract these. So in case of subtraction we will put their square bracket and simplify these two terms, and after this we will take this minus sign inside. This minus sign change all the sign of these terms. So again we multiply these, so we will get here the product, it is same. We will get the product, that is x square plus 4x plus 6x plus 24 minus square bracket is there 1 upon 49 x square plus 1 upon x 1 upon 7 into x minus 1 upon 7 into x minus 1. So these are like term, we can cancel there because they have opposite sign. 4x plus 6x, that is equal to 10x. So x square plus 10x plus 24 minus 1 upon 49 x square minus 1. Now when we take this sign inside, so this becomes minus, and minus minus plus, and then we have to separate the terms, like terms. So x square minus 1 upon 49 x square, this term and this term are like term, and then 10x as it is, 24 and 1, these are the constant term, so this becomes 25. But in this case we will take x square common, so here coefficient is there 1, so it becomes 1 minus 149, 1 upon 49. So when we take LCM, so it becomes 48 upon 49 x square plus 10x plus 25 as it is. So this is the answer of this part. Now the third part is there. Third part is also same. In this case these are the binomials, but in this case monomial multiplied with the binomial. So we will get the product again, it is equal to 49 ABC minus 9 ABC minus 7 AB square into C square plus 7B square minus B cube into C plus 2B cube C. So in this case we will separate the like terms. So ABC, ABC, these terms are the like terms and these are also the like terms. When we solve this, we will get 49 minus 9, that is 40 ABC minus 7 AB square plus C square as it is, and plus 7B square as it is, and in this case minus 1 plus 2, that is equal to plus 1 B cube C. So this is the answer. In the same way we have to multiply the fourth part. Again two binomials are given and two binomials and sign of plus in between these two. We will get answer is there 2p raised to power 3 minus 2q raised to power 3. In the same way, now last two parts are there in this question. Here two binomials, then minus sign, again two binomials, then plus sign, and last two binomials are also there. We have to multiply these in the same way. For example, first term multiplied with the second binomial, that is x into 3x minus by, then 2 by multiplied with the second binomial. Now this one minus sign is there, so we will put square bracket, x into x minus by into x minus by, square bracket close, then plus x into second binomial minus 2x plus by, then minus 2 by into minus 2x plus by. After, we multiply these and we will get answer is there minus 3x square minus x by minus 6x by minus 2 by square minus, and these terms are in square bracket, and then minus 2x square plus x by plus 4x by minus 2 by square. Now we will take this minus sign inside. When we will take a minus sign inside, so it becomes positive, it becomes negative minus x square, and it becomes positive, it becomes negative, and it becomes positive. These are the like term and with opposite sign, so we can cancel this. Now we will separate the terms of x square. Minus 3x square is there, x square is there, minus sign x square, and then minus 2x square. These are the like terms. Similarly the terms of x by we have to separate, and the terms of by square. After calculation we will get this answer. How will we get this? Minus 3 minus 1, that is minus 4, minus 4 minus 2, that is minus 6x square, and then minus 1 that is equal to minus 2, or simply we can cancel these are with opposite sign and like terms. So minus 6 plus 4, that is equal to minus 2x by, and then minus 2 by square, minus 2 by square, it is minus 4 plus 1, that is equal to minus 3 by square. So this is the answer. And the last part is there. In this part what is given, again we have to multiply these two, and sign of minus is there, and then we have to multiply these two. The answer we will get 4a square b square. It is same as we have done all these parts. So this is the last part of this question. Everyone have to revise and write this in your real notebook. Thank you and have a nice day everyone.